Are you still opening your Jupyter Notebook by typing out commands? In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up the open process with hotkeys. Let's dive in. Basically, it's all done in a .bat file. Simply open your notepad and save as something.bat. Usually, I'll type run and then my program name. And the file type is .bat. Then we'll type this code on the .bat file. Now let's take a look at the code. After cmd/k, I write the code to point to the scripts directory. This is just like what you did in the command prompt. Use the and sign to represent pressing the enter key. Now let's continue the code to activate the virtual environment. Press enter again and open up the Jupyter Notebook. Enter again, Jupyter Lab and then enter. Remember to close your code with Run Server. Go back to desktop and create a new shortcut. Browse to your .bat file. Click Next and name your shortcut. Go to Properties and change the icon picture. Here I just randomly pick one. You can feel free to create your own. Here I enter hotkey of Ctrl-Shift-9. Again, the hotkey combo is totally up to you. When you press the hotkey, you should be able to start the Jupyter Notebook.